Good deal, everybody. It's your boy j.koolii back with another video. Your boy out and about right now. Damn, BPD is everywhere. Literally everywhere, bro. I ain't tripping. But yeah, I need a haircut right now, so that's where I'm going right now to get a haircut. So you see your boy looking rough. I'm gonna go get buttered up right fast. So I'll be back when I'm buttered up. So whew. And like that, your boy is back. And better than ever. So alright, so today's video, I'm gonna try to find a little strip for y'all in Mexico. Basically, I'm gonna test the fastest way to do a 0 to 60. So my goal right now, I got 305s on. I mean P0s, but still 305. So I should get low 4s. 4.0 is probably the fastest I'm gonna get on these type of tires, and it's only like 50 degrees out too, so probably not even that. But I'm gonna try to get y'all boys the fastest 0 to 60 that I can. Damn. But yeah, so if this is your first time watching, go ahead and subscribe, hit the bell notification, like the video for me, check out my other videos, and please do not skip them ads, bro. I need this chicken. So let's get into the video. All right, guys, now let's get into the video. So today we're gonna be talking about the best 0 to 60 time for SRT products. If your vehicle is equipped with the stuff that SRTs have, like launch control, or being able to control your manual shift pedals, then you can apply this to your vehicle too. But basically, I'm gonna say is 3 reliable ways to just launch your car. So the first one is gonna be just stomp on it. Now, for some cars, this is not gonna be the best way to launch your car. Some cars are equipped with technology where you can launch the car with the computer. You just press the brake, hold the gas, and then let go. That's usually how it goes for most, or usually like with the faster exotic cars, it's with the paddle shifters. So, but yeah, that's the first way you could do it. I'm gonna basically show you guys all 3 types of launches, and we'll see which one gives us the best time. So the first one's gonna be just a straight mash out. So here you go. All right, guys, as you can see, I got a 4.3 0 to 60 time. Now, mind you, it is 50 degrees outside. Tires are cold, didn't warm them up, anything. There's no prep surface. So this is gonna be like for street racing when you're in Mexico. So now 4.3, that's not bad. I think that's what it says from factory, like the best it could be. Now, if my car is tuned, and this is like the worst possible conditions for the car right now, 50 degrees, no heating tires, no prep surface or whatever. So a 4.3 is pretty dang good for, just mash it out. Now, the second method is going to be a brake stand. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to hold the brake up to the RPM that you want without making the tire spin, and then By the way, disclaimer, all of this is with traction control on. Now let's get back to it. So basically what you're gonna do, put your foot on the brake, rev the engine up to the whatever RPM you want it to be. I recommend 2000 for Scat Packs, 6.4 liters, or Hemis or Jeep SRTs, or any SRT product I should say. But I recommend around 2000. You could play with it 21, 19, but I recommend 2000, 2100 ish. And what you want to do is, once it's up to 2 on go, you go, let go the brake, let the car do the rest. So let's see what that time is going to be. The last way you can launch your car, if you have this type of car or any car with launch control, you actually use the computer's launch control. Basically, you go into the settings, you know, you hit launch control, you set your RPM. I can show you guys what it looks like right fast. Hey guys, so you go to race options for SR, well, this is for the 2020, I should say. You got your line lock, that's where you can spin the tires automatically with this. But you're gonna want to go to launch control. Now I have it set at 2500 RPM right now, which I really don't recommend. Say around 22, 21, 22. I like 2000 for some reason. That's when I got my best time. My best possible time that I've ever gotten in this car is a 4.1, and that was at the drag strip. So, and that was before my little tune or whatever. But yeah, so basically you hit launch control, you hit activate, and you do what I said. Same thing as the brake stand almost. Just put your foot on the brake, hold the gas, let go of the brake, and you're off to the races. All right guys, now as you can see with that, I got I believe, what was it, 4.4.
Have you ever had a dream that you want him to do you so much you could do anything?
4.3, 4.4. I don't know. Y'all see the picture, whatever it was. But yeah. So basically, the best 2 ways to launch the car, honestly, is gonna be some form of brake stand launch. For my car, just smashing it only works because I have 305s in the back, like from factory. If you got a car with, you know, big old tires in the back, of course you're gonna grip easier than cars with, like, say, a 275 or lower in the back. So especially if you're rear wheel drive. Now all wheel drive cars, you can do whatever you want, but those cars prefer to be launched by the computer, or you can do it by the brake stand or whatever. But I don't know. My personal preference is doing the brake stand, because you can really control where it's at, and you know, you have the timing, and you don't have to fiddle around with the you know, little technology packages and stuff like that. It's just I don't know, it just cuts time for me. That's why I'm into it. It gives around the same time as a brake stand, but I just prefer to do it myself. But yeah, this is gonna be the end of the video. Like, comment, subscribe if you like the video. If you have any comments or, you know, suggestions, leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, all that good stuff. Share with your friends and watch them as all right. It's your boy j.koolii, and I'm out this thing. Peace.